To enable Azure Defender for SQL, start by accessing the Azure portal and navigating to the SQL Server or SQL Managed instance you want to protect. Azure Defender is a set of advanced threat protection services that provide an additional layer of security for your Azure resources. First, click on the SQL Server or SQL Managed instance to open its settings page. Then, scroll down to the Security section and click on Azure Defender for SQL. If you have not already, you will need to register for Azure Security Center, which provides the foundation for Azure Defender. Once you are in the Azure Defender for SQL page, toggle the switch to enable Azure Defender. You will see a list of pricing tiers, including free and standard tiers. The standard tier provides advanced threat detection capabilities and is recommended for production environments. After enabling Azure Defender, configure the threat detection settings. You can set up alerts and notifications for suspicious activity, such as SQL injection attacks or unusual database access patterns. You can also integrate Azure Defender with other security tools, such as Azure Sentinel, to get a comprehensive view of your security posture. It is essential to regularly review and update your Azure Defender settings to ensure you are getting the most out of this service. Azure Defender provides a range of benefits, including advanced threat detection, vulnerability assessment, and security monitoring. By following these steps, you can enable Azure Defender for SQL and enhance the security of your Azure SQL resources. This will help protect your data from evolving cyber threats and ensure compliance with regulatory requirements. Remember to monitor your security settings and make adjustments as needed to stay ahead of potential security risks.